Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all? With just one question, Disney created one of the most classic and haunting villains of all time. Her pride, jealousy, and cold beauty have been the inspiration for so many works of art. And today, drawing from that same inspiration and adding a little bit of color, we will create this character together, the Evil Queen. Today we're going to have a little change of pace from the previous videos. We're going to skip the time-consuming post-processing and surface cleaning stages. Instead, this video will be a showcase where we focus entirely on painting techniques. So we'll start right away with a model that is already cleaned and ready to be painted. An evil queen can't be without a powerful-looking throne. So we'll start with the throne's frame first. The entire thing will be coated in a jet black primer to create a dark look and to serve as a base for the royal gold to come. After the black primer is dry, we'll start gilding this throne. A layer of metallic gold paint will be applied, transforming the plain black chair into a luxurious item that truly expresses the queen's wealth and power. Leaving the golden throne for a moment, we'll now turn to the main character. First, we'll apply the base skin tone for the queen. And while we wait for this skin coat to dry, we can save some time by priming her cape in black, killing two birds with one stone. Now it's time to face the enemy of every model painter, the masking stage. Joking aside, it's very important. We will have to wrap up the painted skin very carefully, and only when everything is secure can we apply color to the queen's stockings. After overcoming the masking challenge, it's time for a little magic. We're going to shade the cape, where we previously applied a black primer. By skillfully adding layers of purple, we'll create a smooth transition from deep black to a mysterious purple, perfectly capturing the queen's powerful nature. And we're back to masking again. This time it's even bigger. After wrapping the queen up carefully, we'll apply a royal purple to the rest of her outfit. The important thing here is that this purple has to perfectly match the purple on the cape, creating a sense of harmony for the whole piece. After so many masking stages, we finally get to unwrap the queen to return to her skin. This is the moment that decides the character's charisma. First, we'll use an airbrush to contour the face, emphasizing the deep-set eyes and sharp features. Right after, the entire skin area will be shaded once more to capture her cold, imperious, yet envious beauty. Before we continue, let's do a test assembly of the parts to see our progress. Okay, it's really starting to take shape. We're more than halfway there. Now let's get back to finishing the throne. It's that familiar masking stage again. After covering the surrounding details, we'll paint the seat cushion a luxurious velvet red. This red will be a perfect background to make our main character pop later on. Almost done. Now it's time to finish the queen's head. We'll paint the head covering black first. And right after that is the essential detail for any queen. The powerful crown will be painted a brilliant metallic gold. And now for the final step, where meticulousness will bring the character's soul to life. With a very fine brush, we will complete the final details. The sharp eyes, the lips as red as blood, the pendant, and the gemstone on her chest. It is these small details that will define the evil queen's aura and wicked beauty. Don't go anywhere because right now, we're going to admire the final result together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.